Hello guys, thought I'd do a video because I was sitting here on my own gases. I can record gases. I can record gas snoring. Hang on. Don't tell him. I'm a bitch, but I don't care. Diesel, what have you done? Oh, it's okay. I'm a bitch. See, that's why me and Gas never sleep together. Because he snores like a pea out. Well, he actually wasn't so bad at the moment. Sorry, my eyes are being a cunt. I mean, being a stump. But yes, I've got him. I got him. I got him. But anyway, yes, I like to make everyone happy, everyone smile. I don't like seeing people sad. I've been sad on stream. I've cried a few times, and you guys are fucking amazing. I want you all to go to a mirror. Go to a mirror right now. You look in that mirror and you say, I am fucking great. I would do it, but I broke my mirror. I think it was the face. Right, yes. I want you all to say to yourself, you are loved. I love all of you. I think you're all fucking amazing. I was very sad today with Die Hard. He's not too good with his ear. And I just feel like I just don't like seeing people not well. I don't like it. It makes me want to mother them. Mother them. I would, if Die Hard lived near and he was single, I would not go around there like, oh no, fuck or anything like that. I would love to go to Die Hard. I'm here to look after you. I might not be able to take the pain away, but my fucking groovy dancing will take your pain out, make you forget about the pain. But see that. I know he's got a bad ear, but I always want to fucking get down to it. I know he needs to. Oh, Diesel, don't start licking again. Oh, he's gonna get his nuts cut off. With my eye, when my eye started up, I thought it was an allergy, and because I was scratching, it's infected a little tight, so I couldn't get my eyes tested because the vision is not that good at the moment. So seeing the amount of pain Die Hard was in, I can always tell I could tell straight away he wasn't himself. He was really tell that he's getting really fucked off with his ear infection. And I really hope that it gets sorted soon. Or I'll have to come over to Bulgaria and go, listen here, Dr. Love, fucking sort it or I'll fucking cut your legs off. And I'm happy that Sherry has joined our little family. She's new, she's a lovely girl. I can get on quite well with her. She's got my sort of sense of humour. This is my dinner. I do eat, don't worry, Cryptic. I do eat, seriously. Once I start eating, I will stop. But today is just Wendy cut me both to eat today. And really, seriously, you guys don't realise how much you really do mean to me. Because if I have trouble on chat, bang, Debs is there. Our Debs. She's the queen. She's been promoted to Queen Moderate. And Diesel, Die Hard, if he sees me being attacked by another person, he's there. He's a really good person. He knows I could tell him anything, any shit that's going down, we could sit there and talk about it. And Cryptic is just, he's got to understand how, so I didn't freeze, I thought, okay, he gets snoring. I can hear him snoring in there. Jesus. Cryptic, you understand, you're the brother I always wanted. Mrs. Cryptic she's amazing. She's fucking amazing. Bridget, she's a sweetheart. I love her to bits. Brandon, I'm glad that we're chatting. I think the world of you too, Brandon. You're a great bloke. Don't ever think you're not. You fucking are. You are amazing with your coffee. Who else? William, I started chatting to William. He's a great bloke. He's nice to talk to. He's very intelligent, so I get a bit confused by the long word. No, I'm joking, William. You're fucking amazing. Merchant. Oh my god. I fucking love you. Your personality hits well with my personality. We could sit there and do little jokes about each other, like little insults. And that's the good thing about this group, we don't take insults to heart. And when it was with Die Hard, he would say something about me, and I'll sit there and go, I'm only joking. And I'll say to Die Hard, yeah, but words hurt. Well, I got that from the TV show called Whose Line Is It Anyway? And there's a man on there called Greg. He looks a bit like Buddy Holly, and the man behind who done the show said something to him, and he was like, I'm very sorry, I didn't mean to say that. And Greg says, yeah, but words hurt. So that's where I got it from. And who else is on my list? Who comes in? Mr. Whistle. He's a drug. He's a drug for me. He's always great. He's never grumbling. He's a great man. Reese Carp, he's my baby boy. He knows that. He's going through some shit at the moment, but we're here for you, babes. Don't ever forget that. If you need a chat, we're here. Who else comes in? Bridget. Debs, I've done Debs. Wow, she's good. Who else is there? Loads of people that come in. Mary, I don't really see much of Mary, but she knows I love her. Sorry, I got fucking itch on my nose. But, yes, I really wish that I'd love to meet and just testing my eyesight. Because I could see the computer screen, but if I've got to keep doing that to see if my right eye is, yeah, I could just about make it. Yeah. Anyway, who else is there? There's Caitlin. I don't know if I mentioned Caitlin yet. But if I did, I mean, I'm talking about you again. She's beautiful. She's got a beautiful heart. She's amazing. I'd love to meet Caitlin and have a Harry Potter day. I won't have anyone fucking hurt her. No one. They have to get through me. If anyone wants to hurt my friends, they have to get through me first. I'm sorry. I might look cute and innocent, like a little lady, but if it pissed me off, fucking one. Sarah, she's great. That's why she's got a great sense of humour. But it's getting to the point where people see me, cryptic, die hard. I always tell him I've got a new subscriber today. First thing I said, I messaged him, giving out everyone's 2 YouTube channels, and it makes me feel good because it's like, most men, sub to me to get into my knickers. But yeah, I just really hope one day I'll meet you guys. If I don't, then I'll probably kill Gas because he's snoring. But at the moment, I can't do nothing. My hands are tied. Diesel is my main priority at the moment. I can't leave him at the moment. Gas could look after Diesel, but I'm going to say this. Oops. That's what I love in my life. 2 happy pets. I don't know where Ginger Bullets has gone now. Yeah, so yes, this is a message to my sweethearts. I love you all so, so much. And, I don't know, I think the way things are going at the moment, I'm still thinking about getting my own place. Me and Gaz getting well now, getting well as friends, sort of thing. We just don't bounce off each other no more. And I would say, I know it sounds horrible, but I would love to just get out of this house. He doesn't want to move. I want to move. I'm not happy here. I'm always ill here. And we have discussed about me moving out. I'm taking Diesel, of course. And I've got a lot of stuff. I've got the stuff to move out. I've got my washing machine. I've got my other bits. Probably have my bed and stuff like that. But it's got to happen. It really has to change. And I thought I'd share that with you guys. Me and Gaz haven't been getting on at all lately. It's constant fighting. I'm not happy with him. He's probably not happy. I don't know. He shows that he cares, but I don't really care about it no more. All I want is to be on my own now. I mean, Gas can come over a quickie if he wants, but I'm seriously thinking about it. I just need to get away. Maybe we'll get on a lot better if we don't live together. Nobody knows. Anyway, so that's my little video for you guys. I love you all. Don't ever forget that. And you are all invited to my funeral if I died. Alright, my kittens. I will speak to you soon. Bye-bye.